Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help fix your TradingView chart if it appears upside down. First, let's quickly check a few things. Make sure the invert scale option isn't accidentally enabled in your chart settings. Also, confirm that no custom indicators or scripts are running that might alter the display. Finally, ensure your data source is loading correctly and without errors. These initial steps can often resolve simple display glitches. The most common fix involves a simple setting adjustment. Right-click directly on the price axis, usually on the right side of your chart. A menu will appear. Look for the Invert Scale option and make sure it is unchecked. Once deselected, your chart should immediately revert to its normal, upright orientation. This usually solves the problem quickly. If the previous step didn't work, try resetting your chart layout. Go to the menu icon, often found near the top left of your chart, and select Reset Chart View. This action will restore all display settings to their default configuration, which can often clear up any persistent visual glitches or incorrect scaling issues. It's a powerful reset button. Sometimes, the issue isn't with TradingView itself, but with your browser. Try clearing your browser's cache and cookies, then refresh the page. If that doesn't work, open TradingView in an incognito or private browsing window. As a last resort, try using a completely different web browser to see if the problem persists. These steps often resolve browser-related display problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.